Yo, what's up? My name is Drago and welcome to my series where we're looking at artists and their beats and their production. Today we're looking at Joji. Joji is an artist with beats that go lo-fi, that go nostalgic, that have space. He uses a lot of pianos, he uses a lot of acoustic elements in his beats, and this is what we're trying to recreate today. So, let's get right into it. I started the beat with this piano in Analog Labs. I took this brass from Analog Labs too. I took a spacey snap. You can also take any snap and put a reverb on it, but this snap came with the reverb, so I took the snap. I took this lo-fi kick. I took a random snare that sounds weird. I took a shaker. I added an open hi-hat to the beat. And a lo-fi hi-hat. This is what the drums sound together. Before I show you the final beat, please leave a like, subscribe maybe, and this is the final beat.